Ya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Arif from the step 4. Today, I'm going to tell you about the first step when starting hotel business. The hotel property business is a business that is highly chosen by many businessmen. Today, because it has been proven to last quite a long time. In the addition, what is certain about this hotel business is the selling value of the property is much higher than capital that was spent when building it. Even the hotel you built is always crowded with many guests with a fairly high occupancy rate, then the property value is your hotel will be multiplied. This is the key why entrepreneurs who already have one hotel in the not too distant future will have a new hotel again. Before realizing it, of course you have to know some steps to take when you want to start a hotel business. Here is a little explanation of the basic step. Number 1. Basic idea and concept. As we already know, ideas and concept, there's the main capital that must be prepared in running any business. Unique concept and brilliant ideas will be very useful to support your business hotel. So, start thinking about concept and idea, how you want to be applied to your hotel building. Number 2, educate capital preparation. After you have found the ideas and concept, next, of course, is the preparation of financial capital. If you have a question, how much does it cost to building a hotel? Of course, you can find out from the size of the hotel building that you will build. If you do not have more capital, you can build a hotel with a simple concept. However, nowadays, you don't really have to have 100% capital. You can start with only 40 to 50% capital. The rest, you can use loan service from bank or other third parties. Number 3, construction site. The next step is location selection. Location selection is very important in determining the success of your hotel business. In addition, the selection of this location will also be able to determine the selling price of the room in your hotel. If you are looking for a location, for example, in Bali, Jakarta, Surabaya, and others. Number 4, feasibility study. The feasibility study is very detailed calculation that will provide an overview of your hotel business prospect in the future. Generally, in this feasibility study can provide description such as how many rooms should be built, what facilities are needed and not needed, what type of hotel is yours, how much is the room price, how much is your investment, how long will your investment to take to return. With all of that, of course, can prevent the accretion of large losses that might be caused by errors in the design. You can look for a hotel business consultant to make this feasibility study. Number 5. Hotel consultant. If you don't have sufficient experience in the hospitality business, of course, you really needed this hotel consultant. This hotel business consultant will help you a lot of in reducing the workload of your hotel planning. But don't worry, in this digital era, we have Dana. So, what is Dana? Dana is equity crowdfunding platform designed and supervised by OGK. The Dana platform has been designed since December 31, 2019 with permit certificate GAP 93 per T.04 per 2019. So, what is equity crowdfunding? Equity crowdfunding, or ECF, is the process of raising funds for a project in venture by a number of people. By way of group, you and other investors can invest in a joint venture into a project of business. When you participate investing in a business on Dana, you will get share ownership as well as profit sharing from business dividend. So how is share ownership? Each project or business will have its own legal entity, limited liability company. For example, for a boarding house business such as Abdi Kartini has a legal entity of PT Abdi Kartini Rumah. When you invest in Abdi Kartini Residence, you will get share ownership in PT Abdi Kartini Rumah. Your share will be leased in 3 dependent parties: Dana, Custodian Bank KAB Hana Bank, and KSEI. So it that means Indonesian Central Securities Depository. So, what is profit sharing the dividend? When you own shares in a business, you are entitled to share the dividend when the company makes a net profit. The dividend will be distributed to you according the proportion of your share ownership in the business. So, when are the dividend distributed? The dividend distribution schedule and issued financial statement can be seen in the prospectus of each project on the Dana application or website. Dividend will go directly to your Dana balance. How to sell share secondary market? You will be able to sell your business share 1 year after you invest in the initial public offering. Share buying and selling will occur in the secondary market, which will be present in the Dana application. Can stock price go up? Yes. Dana, as the operator, will be provide a fair reference price by taking into account the performance of the business. The stock price in the secondary market can be below or above the prevailing price depending on market demand. So, how can I join? Number one, to start investment, you can completing account verification, make a deposit with your Cloud Dana account. Number three, choose the business or project you want to invest in. Number four, making decision and investing in business. What should I do to know before investing? Number one, study the prospectus first. Two, know the business prospect. And number three, adjust the spec by considering business the risk that may account. Number four, set aside investment program for the business fund. Those are the first step in starting a hotel business. How? Have you got an idea where to start? Thank you for all. My name is Arif. Assalamualaikum.